Hello and welcome to etcfo.com. We are here at the first edition of ETCFO Next Gen Summit, and I have with me a very handsome CFO, Mr. Bittu Varghese from Tablespace. Hi, sir. You are just coming out of the session. How is your experience of this event?
Thank you so much, first of all, for having me here and also telling that I'm the handsome CFO. Thank you for that. The session was good. We had very interesting round of panelists over there. The views around AI, generative AI, and blockchain, even use case scenarios where somebody's used or implemented blockchain, how technology enablement is helping them to do analytics, compliance, and all those. It's been a very fabulous discussion all together.
Sir, what it means to you being a next gen CFO?
I think what it means to me is to be really next generation. Everything is moving at a very, very, very fast pace. AI, tech, everything that you say. I cannot, or as CFOs, we cannot get stuck with what we used to do in the past. It's always constant unlearning and learning new skills, adapting AI, understanding what all of this is all about. Unless you adapt and be agile to the future, as a next gen CFO, you won't be able to drive your team, and not just your team, the teams that are associated with you in your organization. I'll use an example like I work for a company called Tablespace Technologies. Uh, while we are a real estate company, while we work in the domain of managed workspace, building offices and managing offices for our clients, we are a tech first company. We have adopted technology. We have full stack tech team in our company who manage everything from start till end, from customer acquisition to understanding what a customer, where a customer is, to final delivery and taking care of customers' problems. So adaptive AI led is probably going to be the next thing to have, and probably as a CFO, everybody should adapt to it.
And sir, how do you see the future of like finance unfolding? As a CFO in next 2 to 3 years, what do you see are the biggest opportunities and like risks for the CFOs?
I think the biggest opportunity is the hyper growth phase that we are all going to witness. Growth, anyway, from the economy growing, the entire GCC culture, the growth opportunity that one can see, the talent pool that one can see within India, right? Be it a tech, engineering, accounting, or whatever. So from that aspect, there is a lot of growth management that a CFO has to do. If it is done well, it's an opportunity. If it is not managed well, it's a risk that one would always carry with oneself.
Sir, your comments for ETCFO as a website. How do you see ETCFO evolving?
I think I have always been a fan of ETCFO. I have always been following ETCFO for a very long time now. I get regular posts. The articles are very interesting, very hands-on. It's like a quick read every day morning before I start my day, and it's really, really wonderful.